Alright everybody, and welcome to another day at this dog and pony act we got going here. Have I ever said how power stupid I think it is that when people come along and cut the strings in the middle like that? Have I ever said that? I probably have said that. When you're taking the strings off your guitar, when you come along, people come along and they snip them in here and then they fight with them at either end, instead of just getting them off the headstock, using that same snipper they were about to use to do their silliness, cutting the tops off nice and smartly, and then taking the whole length of that string and pushing it out. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, Bob's your uncle. And that's that. Why wouldn't you do it like that? I've never ever understood why people would cut them in the middle like that and then fight with them on either end. For what? For what, silly? Okay, let's do what we came here to do, which is to change pickups before Richard loses his mind, because this guitar has been sitting here for probably, I want to say, like, I don't know, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, something like that. Where is my sexy little... It's right there. And why wouldn't we want to use that? This drill? This cheap, rigid, Home Depot, never let me down. The time that I bought it, these were like the budgetest of the budget tools that you could buy. Just drop the pickup right there, in situ, on this Mexicano Americano Strat. Mexican American. Yeah, remember those guys? They're gonna make another movie. That was when I was a kid. Cheech and Chong. Mexican American. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? There's so much to take apart on a friggin' Telecaster. Move some of those out of the way. Of course you would. There you go. Just move some of those out of the way. Got my old man glasses handy today. Okay. That's what we're doing. We're cutting that sumbitch up. Oh, same lazy thing was done here too. So weird. You see where that ground is? It's just a short little ground to what looks like another body ground. I don't know why that you would have two body grounds in here. This is such a weird setup. Okay, anyway, don't matter to me. Let's get her out. Here's where I need my Oh man, spectacolinos. Friggin' wrap it around there or something. Oh, why would you do that? Oh, you dumbass. I hate you. Alright. It says green and black are going to be wired to the ground circuit, and red wired to the output jack. Here we go. Here we go. Now it's a switch, so it's around the data. Look at that. Okay, let's go around. I like this, anyway, it doesn't. Girl, come on. For fucking fuck's sakes. Are you fucking kidding me? Why doesn't this sucker fit? Are you fucking kidding me? It won't fit. It just won't fit. It just won't fucking fit. The cavity is just way too small. Why? Why is this so fucking... The footprint of this is just so much fucking bigger. It just will not fit in this cavity. Okay, here's where we're at. We've pulled out the chisels. And now we are going to try to okay, we got it in. That's it. Immediately cut away the excess. Alright, after all that bullshit of trying to make the fucking pickup fit, after all that bullshit, the pickup is broken. Like, it works, but it's like half power. It's running at like half the power that you would expect it to be running at. How do you like them apples? After all that. You got a neck pickup that works beautifully. You got a bridge pickup that is not functioning the way it should be. It's like a quarter of the volume of the neck pickup. So now we've gone to all this trouble. Pretty much nothing. Hey, Richard always brings me some bullshit. Always brings me some bullshit. Strings on and everything. The strings I just put on and everything. I've only had you off more times today than I need to. Okay, we got the old pickup back in there. We got loosely tuned. I'd like to say I enjoyed that, but I didn't enjoy it at all. It was a magnificent pain in my backside. See ya, wouldn't want to be ya. Richard always brings me some bullshit. There you go.